Hi, welcome to the lesson number 16, that is language processors and device drivers. Okay, let us see one by one. What is the language processor and what are the device drivers? Okay, actually, language processor, first of all. Language processor is a software program designed or used to perform tasks such as processing program code to machine code. Otherwise, converting the written source code, otherwise original program, into machine understandable code, that is machine code, is what known as actually language processor. Okay, so different languages we are having. Okay, and we know very well that C language requires different kind of the processor, and also Java, we know the JDK we are using, and different kind of the programming languages are requiring for different processors for respective programs. And also yeah, let us see one by one. In this one mainly three parts are there. First one is compiler, compiler type, processor, and assembler type, and also interpreter. Okay, first one, compiler. What is this compiler actually doing? Reads the actual source code program, reads the code which is nothing but the original program, and translate that program into machine language. Okay, this one is directly working, converting the original code into machine code. And assembler. Okay, whatever we have the assembly language. Okay, second generation languages are there. Okay, if we have written such kind of the language or program by using such kind of the language, okay, this language is going to be converted into machine language. So people who are writing programs in assembly language related area, okay, they are going to use these assemblers. And coming to the interpreter. Interpreter is the one, it is also, I see here, translation of program into machine code, okay, is done by language processor and executes it immediately. Yes, we know, I have just now only mentioned that every language is having the different processor. Okay, language processor is there. After just doing that one, which means converting the original source code into machine code, okay, there is some delay, there is some gap. Okay, after immediately we are going to go for the execution, executes it immediately before moving on to the text. Okay, this line from here to here, you have to remember what is actually interpreter is doing is, after just conversion of our source code program into machine code, okay, it executes it immediately before moving on to the text line. Okay, before we are going to see the output of our uh, source code, otherwise our program. Okay, before we are going to see the output of our program, it is executed by this interpreter. Okay, so this part is going to be done by whom? Interpreter only. Okay, getting. And next one is device drivers. Yeah, let us see the device drivers. Device driver, it is a software or specific type of software application. Okay, you can just say this one totally a single software type. Okay, but it is going to, what it is going to do is, it is going to control a specific hardware device only. That is the main aim we have mentioned here, specific type of software application. It is only can able to control the that particular hardware device, single hardware device. Okay, for example, we are having the printer drivers we have, and USB drivers we have, RAM drivers we have, speaker drivers, keyboard drivers. Okay, there are many, whatever we are externally connecting to our computer, all these devices requires device drivers. Okay, then only you can able to work very like in a good manner. Okay, otherwise without drivers we can't work easily, and we can't able to see the that particular connected externally connected device functionality also in our computer without having the device drivers. Okay, this is all about the language processors and device drivers. Thank you everyone.